Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit more raw because I'm just going to talk to you about how I made this massive, beautiful Loki headpiece that I recently made for a friend of mine. I am joined today by Mr. Jake Mutt. I don't know if... Hey, Jake or Mutt? I can say hi? Jake, come here. Give me a kiss. He's like, nope, I just want to be lazy. I don't blame him, it's a Saturday. Okay, so I made this piece starting on a headband. Woo! So I got this headband at a beauty store, and then I made this centerpiece with Warbler, and I also cut out this double horn piece that sits under the gems with Warbler. The horns themselves are made out of craft foam. My friend who's wearing this said she wanted a version that was a little bit more femme. My hair is like stuck to it everywhere now. She wanted a version of this that was a little bit more feminine, and so I decided to put these swirls, and it actually covered my crease where my craft foam was. So I rolled the craft foam into cone-like shapes, and I put a wire hanger on the inside, and then to fill them out so that they weren't, you know, like wrinkly looking, the foam, I filled them with recycled Walmart or, you know, Target bags. To make it secure on the bottom, the craft foam is wrapped all the way around to kind of make sure that it's all where it needs. I'm covered in my own hair! Ah! So, yeah, and then I sprayed it all with gold spray paint and accented in a little darker color with dark gold on the between like the filigree pieces. I bought these gems at Michael's, including this big center gem piece. Glued those all in and then accented in gold glitter. Yeah. Pretty. So yeah, it's craft foam, Warbler, recycled plastic bags, and a coat hanger. These tips are Warbler too, to get them nice and pointy. And I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I originally wanted to do a makeup tutorial just like I did with Sub-Zero, where I would do a makeup tutorial like a Lady Loki piece. I was gonna do it with Gold Flake. But Halloween season gets kind of crazy. I'm working at a haunt, and I have a bunch of commission pieces and a bunch of shoots set up and a bunch of private clients that need makeup, and I just don't have the time, y'all. Maybe we'll do it in the future. Leave a comment below if you want to see a Loki Gold Flake makeup tutorial, and don't forget to like and